Hello, welcome to yet another video tutorial. In this one I'm going to show you how you can use the generate items feature to create new items in the system. First, you need to note that this feature is not for the items which already exist in the database. For the items which exist in the database, you should go to purchases, create purchases, and put additional stock. The generate feature is only when you're creating new items. So I have a scenario here where we have let's say, for example, you have a company called SanDisk. You have these memory cards from SanDisk. These are the pieces, and of course these are the capacities. We are going to use also a scenario where you have maybe like HP flash disks with different capacity and different quantities, and you're going to use another scenario for those who are in the wears shoes industry. Like, for example, you have Prada sneakers. Prada is a company, sneakers is an item category. So you have the red color in sizes of 36, 37, 38 with these quantities, and also the brown color with those sizes and these quantities. So let us try to use this first scenario for the SanDisk flash disk. Now when you open the system, you go to stock, then you say generate items. So here you're supposed to specify the brand. The brand here is SanDisk, and now the subcategory is what you call the flash disks, and the common phrase, this should be SanDisk. Okay, and then the common phrase here should be memory cards, or you can even put mem cards. And now you can say that you can specify the destination where you want to put that stock, in which shop. Then you can select main. Then here we're going to use the very simplest approach. We don't have the codes, or rather the whatever the codes for those products. We only have the capacity and the sizes. So I'm going to go back to this part. I can try to minimize this one, and also minimize try to minimize. I don't know why my double click is not working, and I can, I don't know. Anyway, I can simply come here, and then I don't know whether I'll be able to try to oh yeah, no, that's what I wanted to do, so that I put that one there, and this one I put here. So I can come here and say, okay, now I've put the common phrase. Now I just need to specify the capacity here and the quantity. So I can say 4 GB. So I just put brackets, 4 GB brackets, then I put quantity as 5, then I separate with a comma, then I go to 8 GB, then I put brackets, I specify the quantity as 12, then I go to 16 GB into brackets, then I put quantity as 2, then I put that 2 GB into brackets, then I put quantity as 1, then I put 64 GB into brackets, then I put quantity as 12, then I put another item as 128, GB, and I put brackets, and I put the quantity as 9. So now here, if I click generate no size, the system will generate those flash disks as now the items you saved in the database, 4 GB, and the quantities here, and it also give you the total. So before you commit, you can verify that the names have been properly arranged, in case maybe you missed to put a comma where necessary. Like for example, if I try to remove this comma here, you notice that the system might give me something totally different from what I expect. But now if I put a comma, the system will generate in the right way. So then I can just commit those items in our system, and then if I go to stock, the all items list, you'll see the systems has saved the items which you have generated. So you can as well go back and now generate HP. Then I can say HP flash disks. The name flash disk is a common phrase with the products that you are creating. So you can put that one. Then can come here and specify for GB, put quantity as 5. Let me just put imaginary numbers. I put 6, and then 16 GB, I put 9. So if I generate, it will generate 3 items. Then the quantities are here. I can just commit the items. So I want to show you now what you can do for the sneakers. For the sneakers, let me try to open this one. The Prada sneakers here. Now the Prada sneakers, they have different colors, so I want to show you how you can deal with different products with different colors. So just need to come here and say that the product is the brand is Prada. Then I say something like sneakers. Then I can start with red. I can say red 36. The quantity here I put 5. Then I can put red 37. Then put quantity as 4. Then I can put red 41. Then I can put any quantity, maybe like 5. So if I generate, the system will generate for me those 3 sneakers. Now that is method 1. And still in this method you can put now the different color, maybe like brown 36. Then you put the quantity as 4. Then you say brown 38. You put into bracket quantity 5. So if I generate again, it will put the brown brown colors. Or you can as well use another method. You put the common phrase here as brown. Then here you just specify the size 36. You say 36, we have 4 pieces. Then you add 37. You have 5 pieces, and you put 38, and you put into brackets. You have 5 pieces. So if we generate now, the common phrase will add the color automatically. But now the problem with this is that you have to commit the brown color first, and then you work with the, then you change this to put red, and you put the sizes here accordingly and their quantities, then you generate, then you commit. Okay, so that's how you can use the generate feature to create new items which are bulk in the system. Thank you.